is up, guys? Look what we got here. Oh, Honda TRX 400EX. It's a 2007 model. I got this from a buddy of mine. We did a little wheeling and dealing and I ended up with it. Issues? Well, you can tell it's been properly worn in. But the main issue that it has, it leaks oil from the top head gasket or the bottom head gasket. But yeah, so what I did, I went ahead and ordered a kit from Wiseco. It comes with this whole top cylinder, the whole jug or whatever it's called, and it comes with a piston rings, seals, gaskets, a new piston, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. But there are some more issues. The carb needs to be cleaned. It does run, but it doesn't run well, and it's leaking, so we're gonna get that fixed. But yeah, she's not the best looking thing ever, but I plan on restoring this to its former glory. The plastics are faded. It's all chipped up on the frame. Everything seems pretty good. I checked all the bearings and stuff and they all seem pretty good. But, you know, might as well go on and replace them now. No brakes. All that kind of stuff. Plastics are pretty faded. I'd like to get some new ones. I kind of want to do the, I don't know really what they call it. It's like the 2000 model 400EXs with the round headlights up here at the front. I used to have a yellow one that I loved and I hated that I ever got rid of it. So finally found another 400EX. I might do that plastic swap on it. I'll have to research on that. If any of y'all guys on here watching this video has ever done that, let me know. Hit me up. Help me out on how to do it. I know people's done it, but yeah. So we're pretty much just gonna go over this whole thing and fix what needs to be fixed, get it running, and then we'll worry about the actual looks. It doesn't look horrible, and I got it for a really great deal. It's got some kind of exhaust. Let's see, it's a Pro Circuit T4. So I'm not really into sport bikes, as y'all can tell. You know, we got the Can-Am and the Honda and the Razor, and I haven't had one of these probably since high school, so this is gonna bring out the youngness back in me. But yeah, it's not a super fast bike, but it is a great trail bike. It's a great little creek bike that I can ride the creek on, cut up, have some fun. But yeah, so I do already have the top end kit in, and not really sure when I plan to put it on, but we'll take a look at it real quick. Alright, so here's the box with the rebuild kit. It came with a new piston. This is a Wiseco rebuild kit, by the way. And this little box, this probably has the rings. Yeah, 85mm or 0.85mm ring set. It's got some instructions here. We won't need that. A piece of cardboard. Not really sure what that's even for. And here's the seals and gaskets. Now this is going to be a bottom seal, a top seal, looks like it was off seal maybe. And it's got some, these are the valve seals and a few other things. I haven't rebuilt a motor in a long time, so I have to refresh myself on all this stuff. Oh, thundering outside. And there's the top jug. I'll get it out and show it to y'all. Got some sweet Wise Coast stickers bent up. That's okay. So I'm gonna take this piston out and take this cylinder out, and I'll show it to y'all. Kind of look at it a little better. So this is a stock bore cylinder. I didn't want to get any bigger because I'm not really trying to go any faster. Mainly building this 400 to ride on the creek a little bit and trail ride and stuff like that. Just have a really dependable little sport bike I can ride around on. But this seems really nice quality. The old cylinder head, there's nothing wrong with it that I know of. It was just leaking oil. But I figured since I'm gonna have to replace that bottom seal, that I might as well go in and just rebuild the whole top end. I'll probably be ordering some more stuff for it also to do with the engine and clutches and all that stuff. Probably replace the timing chain and the timing chain tensioner and get that all refreshened up. And then once I get done with the, all the running parts on the machine, I'll start on the looks of it, like the plastics and the tires and all that stuff, but that'll be future videos. Let's check out this piston. So it came in this nice little suede bag, which is pretty cool. I have to save that, use it for something. But yeah, here's the cylinder. I mean the piston, my bad. Yeah, Wasco. It's looking really good. It's good looking stuff. And it says race ready dome. Not too sure what it means by that, but sounds good. It says race. And then this little pin goes up in there and connects it to that rod or whatever you want to call it. I'm not too big into sports bikes and I don't rebuild motors all the time, so forgive me for not knowing the names of these things. But yeah, overall it looks like a really nice kit. There'll be some sort of retainer clip, I'm guessing. Like I said, I don't know everything there is to know. I just know how these things work. And if you can take it apart, you can put it back together. It's pretty simple. But yeah, overall seems like a pretty nice kit. But I'm gonna get out of here. I hope y'all stick around for the future videos on the 400EX build. Hope to do a lot to it, so y'all stay tuned, and we'll see y'all guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment and tell me what you think about the kit. And if y'all know good websites or anything like that to buy stuff for 400EXs, just let me know. I know there's like eBay and Amazon and all that stuff where you can get, pretty decent accessories and stuff. But I'd like to get like plastics and maybe new A-arms, stuff like that. I don't know. Just give me some ideas. But anyways, we'll catch y'all guys on the next one. See y'all later.